let's talk about all the MAC Cosmetics products that you need. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. If you haven't yet, please subscribe for more hair and makeup reviews by a hairdresser professional like me. In today's film, we're going to be talking about the best MAC Cosmetics products that everyone needs, the cosmetics that I love and I can't live without. So if you want to count down the top products by MAC Cosmetics with me, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film, we're going to be talking about MAC Cosmetics. And let me start by saying that MAC Cosmetics is a professional cosmetics brand that's been around for years. And I know some of you may not like MAC Cosmetics. MAC Cosmetics became really unpopular in the last few years. I mean, we have like Charlotte Tilbury and NARS. They just have overtaken the market. But when it comes to MAC, I do think it's a very reliable makeup brand. I mean, you know what you're getting, you know it's high quality and it will do the job. If I'm ever in doubt, I'll always reach out for MAC because I just know it's gonna work no matter what, and I just find it very easy and very simple, and it does what it's supposed to do. Let me start by saying that every product I'm gonna be talking about I am wearing on my face. So you guys, let's get into the best products by MAC Cosmetics. The first product I'm going to be talking about is the holy grail of MAC Cosmetics, and that product is Prep and Prime Fix Plus. When it comes to Fix Plus, I think it's like a holy grail of cosmetics. It's a primer, it's a refresher, it's a light in weight, it's a water mist. It does absolutely everything. It hydrates your skin. It's a finishing makeup product and I absolutely love it. And you know why I love it, right? You can put it on before putting your makeup on. You can use it as a setting spray. So you can literally just spritzel that in and your makeup will just set really, really nicely. It smells absolutely gorgeous. They extended the ranges. You had Fix Plus Matte, you had Fix Plus Glow, you had Fix Plus with SPF, which was brilliant for the beach. But I just love this product for work. Now, if you work in a really hot environment like I do, a hair salon, I mean, after a few hours on a busy day, your makeup just feels groggy and your face just feels really dull. This is brilliant. Like, this product is something you need. You literally just take it out, spritzel, and it refreshes your skin. It hydrates. It's brilliant just as a refresher bottle and hydration for your skin. So when it comes to Fix Plus, I absolutely love it. Another hack is that if you want your highlighter to pop more, take your highlighting brush, spray Fix Plus on it, dab it into the highlighter, put it on, and wow, it's gonna pop. Same with the eyeshadow. So this product has many uses and it's a holy grail. The next product I'm going to be talking about was very popular last year and I still swear by it, and that product is Strobe Cream by MAC Cosmetics. When it comes to Strobe Cream, I think it's absolutely brilliant. Last year, a really glowy, highlighted, strobe skin like was in fashion, and this product was absolutely brilliant. It is a radiant moisturizer, so you can use it as a moisturizer. Now, it's not overly glowy, but will give you that nice healthy glow to your skin that everyone needs, and I love it as a moisturizer. Like, it is lovely just to make your skin glow, and it will just give you that nice beautiful effect to your skin. It gives that lovely illuminating shine, and it comes in 4 different shades. So for lighter skin tones, we have the pink one and we have the silver one. This is the pink one, this is the original one, and I absolutely love it. For the medium and deeper skin tone, we have the gold light and the peach light, and they're stunning as well. I wore the peach a few times myself because I love peach tones, but definitely the pink one, the original one, is the best for me. And when it comes to strobe creams, you can't fault it because it works perfectly as a base for your foundation and it is good as a primer. The next product I'm going to be talking about is my favorite MAC Cosmetics foundation. And as you all know, I have quite oily skin, and this foundation works brilliantly for my oily skin and my skin in general. So you guys, my favorite MAC Cosmetics foundation is Face and Body by MAC Cosmetics. When it comes to face and body, I think it's a holy grail. First of all, we get 120 mils of product, which is a lot for a foundation. And as the name says, face and body, it is perfect for your face. any your body and it does not transfer. It is hydrating, it is light in weight, it has a satin finish to it, and it gives you a sheer coverage. Now I did find with this foundation that depending how you apply it, you can build up the coverage. If you use your hands, you're gonna get more of a fuller coverage. If you use a brush, you're gonna get medium coverage. If you're gonna use a beauty blender, you're gonna get a sheer coverage, but you can really build that product up. And why do I love this foundation? First of all, my skin is very oily and I don't like wearing foundation that's too heavy because I don't really need it. I need just a nice sheen finish to my skin. And by the law of science, this is a water-based foundation. As we all know, water and oil do not mix, but for my skin, for some reason, it does last absolutely perfectly and it does not melt off. Now, when I am in a very hot environment, I need to make sure that I prime my skin correctly and I powder it, and this foundation does not budge and it gives you that beautiful skin finish like. The only downfall of this foundation is that it comes in only 11 shades, but with the nature of this foundation, because it is so sheer, I just find they can really get away with it because it just sheens it out really nicely. For example, this is a shade N2, and N2 is brilliant for me. It just adds a bit of warmth to my skin and it just makes me look really healthy. Now when I have tan on, I find the shade C3 works absolutely perfectly, so I'm really just going up to a warmer level and just by a shade higher and it works brilliant. This is a very good foundation for people with dry skin because it is nice and nourishing, and also if you're just looking for a minimal coverage and you just want that beautiful skin-like finish and you don't want a makeup looking like effect on your skin, this foundation is a holy grail no matter what people say. Moving on to more complexion makeup by MAC Cosmetics, and the next product I'm going to be talking about is MAC Cosmetics Powder Blush in Harmony. So as you can see, this blush is quite used, so I've hit the pan, and it's probably the only powder blush I've ever hit pan on, and I've been using Harmony for years. I think this product is absolutely brilliant. It's a lovely pigmentation and it blends out really nice, and it is quite versatile for all skin tones. And like that, MAC blushes are very good. They're very pigmented and they have variety of shades, so there's something for everyone. But I just found Harmony is brilliant for contouring. Finding the right contour shade is very tough, and as you can see, I am wearing Harmony on my cheek at the moment and I absolutely adore it. It blends out beautifully. You only need a tiny bit because sometimes, you know yourself, you're trying to contour, you dip it in, boom, you put it on your cheek and it's literally like someone gave you a deck in the head and that was it. But no, this buffs out absolutely beautifully onto your skin. The next MAC Cosmetics product I'm going to be talking about is a product I cannot live without, and that product is Mineralize Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. And for those who ever wondered what highlighter am I wearing most of the time, it's probably this one, and I find the skin finish is just amazing. Soft and gentle, it is kind of peachy bronzy color, and it does contain vitamin E, which is gonna give the skin nourishment and it's gonna give a natural glow. And I absolutely adore this product. So if you're looking for a nice peachy highlighter and you want that wow effect to your cheekbones, this one is absolutely brilliant. And like that, it will hydrate and add glow to your skin because of the formulation of it. The next highlighter I'm going to be talking about is my Magic Combo. And that product from MAC Cosmetics is Cream Color Base in shade Hush. Hush is a cream base product, or cream blush you could say, that has that nice peachy shimmery tone, and it can be used on your body, on your cheeks and on your eyes. It comes in 5 different shades and it is a cream formula, and like that, this is absolutely stunning. So what I love to do with this cream blusher highlighter is I put it on my cheek and then I follow up with my Soft and Gentle, and that just gives me that beautiful stunning highlighter result. So if you're looking for a good cream highlighter, those color bases by MAC Cosmetics are absolutely brilliant. Moving on to the second last product by MAC Cosmetics that I absolutely adore. And those products, I shall say, are MAC Cosmetics eyeshadows. And oh my god, you guys, when it comes to MAC Cosmetics eyeshadows, I did do a full film about my favorite MAC Cosmetics eyeshadows that I'm going to link above here. But in general, I just love the MAC Cosmetics eyeshadows. They're more of a buildable formula, so I mean, you have to work your way, but they blend out really nicely, and they are more on the drier side, but you can use them wet or dry. And on my eyes at the moment, I am wearing Omega mixed with Saddle and Uninterrupted, and do you know what, you guys? When it comes to those eyeshadows, the price of them, they are quite reasonably priced, and I just love the idea of the Pro palette. I mean, you can refill it, you can pack whatever you need to, because let's be honest, if we buy all those big palettes with 39 shades, how many of the shades you actually use and how many times you actually brought that palette with you? When it comes to those palettes, you can literally build what you want and use what you want on a daily. And you cannot fault MAC Cosmetics when it comes to eyeshadows because they're just spot on. The last best MAC Cosmetics product I'm gonna be talking about is probably a classic that everyone loves and everyone's talking about. And that product is MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot. When it comes to the paint pot, oh my god you guys, they are absolutely brilliant. This one is actually in shade Camel Coat, which I believe is discontinued, and I am wearing it as the base for my eyeshadow. Now I know the Camel Coat is discontinued, but I think Painterly, which is a very popular shade, is quite similar to that. They're both on that beigey side. It is a vibrant formula, there's no creasing and there is long lasting. So if you're looking for a nice cream eyeshadow, this one is brilliant, and it's absolutely stunning as an eyeshadow primer because it does not crease. The eyeshadow goes over it absolutely stunning, and the paint pots have been around for ages and I absolutely adore them. When it comes to MAC Cosmetics, it's an old reliable brand. It was originally made as a pro product and it's still a pro product, and I think it's a brand that is not getting much credit nowadays, but overall their products are just good. They're just good quality products for a decent price. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please take care. Bye.